Hello and welcome to Tips and Tricks for August 2025. This month, we'll learn how to download and deploy an emergency temporary activation of UnForm. This process will work for UnForm versions 9 and later. To start, go to unform.com. Select Support, then Downloads. Then select either Linux or Windows. Launch the download. And install. Launch the application. Select the Activation tab. Now you'll need your serial number and PIN. They were sent to you in an email when you purchased UnForm. After entering your serial number and PIN, click Emergency Activation. Once activated, the emergency activation will run for 21 days. If needed, you can extend the activation for an additional 21 days. If you need further assistance, please contact support by emailing support@synergetic-data.com. If you have any questions or suggestions for future tips and tricks, email Dan Schmitt at dans@synergetic-data.com. For UnForm tips and tricks, thank you. We'll see you next month.